what's up you guys? It's Jbunny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a beauty room tour, aka a tour of my vanity and makeup setup in my bedroom. Welcome to my bedroom. I'm showing you how I organize all of my favorite beauty products, my creams, my mascaras, all of my lip glosses. I think I have like 65 lip glosses or something. So stay tuned for that. And then I'll also be bringing you a quick get ready with me video on how to do this glam pink and purple look featuring some glitter highlights. It's just an everyday look if you're looking to be more spunky and cute and bring some color into your life. Please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this video. A beauty room tour followed by a beauty room look. So yeah, you guys, let's get into it. Today I just wanted to show you my vanity setup and where I get ready. A lot of this stuff I got off of Instagram, off of Amazon. So yeah, you guys, just to start off with a quick tour, this is where I keep all of my sunglasses. I keep them in here so that they don't get dusty, and that way they're always ready to wear. This I got off of Amazon. And then here I have an old Kylie skincare box, and this is where I keep all of my creams. This is really great body cream. If you have sensitive skin, it definitely helps out. This is one of my favorite serums. This is the Eliza Vecca line, which is a South Korean skincare. I absolutely love all of their products, but this really helps keep my skin hydrated and clear. So I highly recommend this serum specifically. This is another Eliza Vecca skincare product that I use. This is the Hell Pore Cleaner, and this is kind of like, think about the old Stridex pads that we used to use back in the day. This is kind of like that. Oh, and then this is an under eye serum that I really love. It really hydrates the underneath of your eye. Over here is where I keep all of my powders. So I have some blushes right here. Highlighter palette. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. I got it off of Amazon, but it is the best highlighter palette, and it's basically the only one I'm using. This is actually the palette I used for my wedding. This is more highlighter, eyeshadow, and big eyeshadow and bronzer palettes that I got off of Amazon. And then these are my organizers for the rest of my beauty stuff. All of my lip glosses. I try and categorize everything. So these are my facials, extra lip glosses right here that don't fit in the tower up at the top. This is the best oil for my legs. It keeps them super hydrated. I have my brushes. This is the glitter shelf. These are all of my glitters. Up here I have my mascaras, and my most favorite mascara is the KKW Beauty Mascara. It gets sold out sometimes, so whenever you see it online, definitely just go pick it up right away. Over here I have some more glitters. These are from Lime Crime. Then I have a series of foundations. Up here I keep all my different eyebrow pencils and different tools. This creates actual brush strokes. Last thing, guys, I have my lashes. These are absolutely my favorite lashes so far of the ones that I have purchased to date since I got into lashes in the last 6 months. But I also really like these, and this is a random one I found on Amazon. And so yeah, we're gonna get into the look now for the day. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply this Eliza Vecca serum. It just keeps my skin super moisturized without getting oily. So the next thing I like to put on is my Deep Sea Cosmetic Under Eye Serum. So you just take it and you pump one, like honestly, that was probably too much. Okay, so the next step that I like to do is my eyebrows. I'm gonna be starting off with this dark brown.
A few moments later.
My brows are on, and really quickly I wanted to mention that to finish off my brow look, I also used this foundation along with this cute little brush to clean up the brows. And honestly, this is an essential part of doing your brows. And then along with that concealer, I also used this eyebrow pencil that's liquid, and it has 3 little brushes at the end. And yeah, it goes on to help you define your brows. I use it at the end to make them darker than the center. So yeah, you guys, let's jump into the next step of the makeup. I'm just gonna do a really easy eyeshadow look, and to help me achieve this, I'm gonna use actually a piece of Scotch tape and put it right here. And this way, when I finish my eyeshadow look, there's less cleanup. So this will come off. So this is the palette that I'm using for today's look. I got it off Amazon, and it has 3 layers of colors, 1, 2, and then another one under here. And honestly, it was $19.99, and it is the best bang for your buck that you are going to get on an eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna start by putting a little concealer on my lid, and then I'm gonna blend that out with a sponge. Today I'm gonna go with a pink and purple look. So yeah, you guys, to start out, I'm gonna do a light pink on the inside. I'm gonna go with this one right here. So now I'm just gonna wipe my brush off, and I'm gonna pick a color that's slightly darker. So now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the third color of the eyeshadow look, and for this one, I'm gonna do a purple. Just pack the brush and lay it down. And then I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna blend. Now I like to apply a little bit of foundation. So now I'm going to take this palette right here, and I'm just gonna put some light powder on to set. And then I like to go in with the darkest brown. Don't judge me yet, guys. It all comes together. Then I'm gonna take this brown and tan some skin that hasn't been tanned yet. Okay, so now back to the eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm gonna put it in the pink, and I'm gonna line the bottom lash to match the top. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put on some eyeliner.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to do my false lashes, but first I'm going to put on some of my KKW Beauty mascara. For today's lashes, I'm using the lashes from ColourPop, and I'm using the Bay box. They are so freaking cute on, and I also wore them in my 6ix9ine nail tutorial video. And yeah, here I am again using them. I absolutely love them. Okay, you guys, so here it is. My lashes are on. These are the ColourPop in style Bay, and they look super fab, if I do say so myself. It definitely helps complete the look, but we have one more thing to add. I love glitter on my makeup. I'm going to take this Lime Crime Diamond Dew, and we're just gonna put a little bit on the inner corner of the eye. This is super strong glitter, and it just gives it that little highlighter pop. Ooh, what do you guys think of the eye look? So now I'm going to take my Evian facial spray, and yeah, this stuff lasts forever and I absolutely love it. And don't ever let anybody tell you that you don't need it, because it works on skin with no makeup when you want to freshen up, going for a no makeup look and you just want to look more dewy. And it also works as a setting spray. So I'm just going to cover my lashes and put on a quick coat of this Evian. So what would a makeup look be without the lips? And today for the lips, I'm going to be using my favorite lip gloss, which is from the High Beams collection from Kim K. It's the lavender and it is spectacular. It's a nice purple lip gloss and it really reflects. And yeah, you guys, this is today's beauty look. Thanks so much for getting ready with me today. I hope that you enjoyed the beauty room vanity tour that I provided for you in the beginning. It was super fun showing somebody my setup that I have here in my bedroom. I absolutely love getting ready ever since I started using these organizers that I have from Amazon. So if you're ever feeling stressed out when you're doing your makeup, definitely get an organization plan going because it will help you infinitely. But yeah, you guys, this is it for today's video. Drop a comment down below what your favorite part of the video was and what you want to see from me next. I love hearing all of your ideas and your comments and your feedback, and yeah, hope to see you guys soon on the next one. I'll see you there. Bye, guys.